Compelling reasons to let parties appear remotely in court proceedings. World War II swapped silk parachutes for nylon. What started out as a stopgap became the better standard. COVID-19 did the same for court. Remote appearances started as a workaround and proved to be an upgrade. Why this matters? If the goal is access, efficiency, and fairness, remote and remote hybrid calendars hit the target. Point 1, participation and access jump. Remote options cut no-shows and make hearings doable around work, school, transportation, and childcare. Calendars move because more people can actually attend the first time. Point 2, safety and dignity. Domestic violence and elder abuse survivors can appear without sharing a room with the abuser. That matters. Point 3, less life disruption. No more burning a day's wages and childcare to argue a 15-minute motion. People overwhelmingly report a positive experience. Point 4, docket speed and expert access. Courts can stack short matters, pull in out-of-state experts for narrow issues, and avoid continuances when someone can't get to the courthouse. Point 5, interpreters and confidential consults. Platforms support simultaneous interpretation and quick access to rare language interpreters. Breakout rooms protect attorney-client privilege mid-hearings. Worst case, mute and huddle by the phone or text with your lawyer. Point 6, public access and resilience. Live stream links expand public seating beyond the walls. Remote keeps courts running through weather, health, or building disruptions. Point 7, the rules already allow it. Utah explicitly permits in-person, remote, or hybrid proceedings. Courts publish how to request a remote conference. See Rule 87 of the Utah Rules of Civil Procedure. Anticipating pushback. Remote feels less fair. Well, that's a change management problem, not an inherent defect. Evidence handling and interpreting are solvable with standing orders, digital exhibit procedures, and training, and they're already working and only improving. Remote appearances increase participation, reduce costs, protect the vulnerable, and move dockets. We have the tools and rules now. Use them. We have nothing to lose.